Janet told me I was getting kind of scraggly looking. I'd have to agree. Trim my beard and clip my hair a little bit. Hey YouTube, Phil in Florence. What I'm going to do today is cook a tri-tip. I was watching Cooking with Rye. If you don't know who he is, if you don't follow that channel, I advise you to go over there and check him out. He's got a lot of good recipes. And if you're a weekender cook and outdoor patio cook, he can really help you out. But I got this recipe for a tri-tip from his channel. And it's a ginger garlic tri-tip. And we're going to make a marinade and put this tri-tip in a bag and put that marinade in there and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. He says you need about 6 hours. I don't have quite that much time, so I'm going to take what I can get. I've got more like 3 hours, but got started a little late and running behind, so I'll just have to settle with the 3. But what we got here to get our marinade is, let me come bring you down here. First of all, here's my tri-tip. It's a relatively small one. It's like 1.75 pounds. And the butcher, I got it from Old Timey Meats. And they trimmed it up for me. I trimmed a little bit more, but ginger garlic mix that we're going to put together. And I've got 4 tablespoons of minced garlic right here already ready to go. I've got 3 tablespoons of ginger, fresh ginger. And so we're going to go in with a 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper. We're going to put that in, and then we're just going to stir that up together real good. And I think I'm going to use a bag, a gallon bag, since I got a small tri-tip. I think it'll fit in there just fine. I'm just going to pour it over it, rub it and pat it. And we'll get all that in that bag. Okay. I'm going to work this in a little bit, and I'm going to get it in the bag, and I'll come right back to you. Tri-tip in the bag, and we got all the marinade in there. We're just going to push all the, zip it down to about 1 inch, and then push all the air out. Alright, we'll be using the Weber Kettle today, and I'm going to use the Vortex and put it down in the bottom all the way over to the side, and we're going to offset cook for a while till we get up to 110. Then what we'll do is sear it real good, and then bring it back off and finish out until we get to 130. A couple of Lombardi chicken breasts. Let me show you how pretty they are. They really do a nice job getting their chicken breast and chops prepared, but aren't those nice? These are stuffed with mushrooms and peppers and other things. I'm sure they're going to be good, but we're going to put these on along with that. I thought my chicken breasts were bacon wrapped, but I was looking at other things that were wrapped. But anyway, I'm going to go on with some Eat Barbecue Zero to Hero rub on the chicken. Alright, this was sent to me by a good buddy of mine, Jay Dallum, a viewer at Camp Meat Barbecue. Thank you, Jay. I'm going to try some more of this out. I've used it a couple of times on some ribs and pork butt. It's good on pork and chicken. Alright, we got those ready to go. Here's my tri-tip and my chicken breast, bacon wrapped chicken breast. And I'm going to use the Weber Kettle today. I'm going to use the Vortex and push it to the back. Fill that up with some charcoal and offset over here. And then we're going to sear over here. Today, I'm going to use something for the first time that I've had. And I'm going to use a new wireless thermometer. The Maverick XR-50. Yeah, XR-50. These have been around a while. Put out by Adrenaline Barbecue, David Parrish over there at ABC, in partnership with Maverick, and they've come out with a real nice wireless thermometer here. You see 500-foot range, 4 probes, 2 barbecue and 2 meats, 1 barbecue, 3 meats is your options, 3 barbecues and 1 meat, instant sync, waterproof, probes. And so yeah, nice product. I'm looking forward to using it today. I'm going to put number 1 in the tri-tip, and number 2, I'm going to put it, number 2 in one of the chicken breast. Just one of them. They should both run about the same. Okay. Alright, that's our setup. Vents, top and bottom vents wide open until I get my temperature back up. Okay, it's 122 and climbing. I'm going to cook the tri-tip, that's what I'm focusing on, and the chicken will cook along with it. But I'm going to try to cook between 250 and 260. So I'll get back with you. Hang in there. Stick with me now. I'm already up to 275. And but I forgot to put a piece of hickory in there. I'm going to put a piece of that in real quick. I'm just going to set it right there on top of the charcoal. Well, there's my little helper there, Toby. Look here, Toby. Hey. Here's my setup. Now that I'm going, we've been cooking 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Alright. I like the looks of that Maverick XR-50. That's sharp. I like the red and black, and I like the way they've got the readings separated. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like that a lot. Alright, here we go. Tri-tip chicken breast, wrapped chicken breast. Guys, we're at 115, 124 on the chicken. And we've been averaging 285 on the temp since I opened the top. It's come down, but it's time to sear this tri-tip. So hold on and let me turn this camera 4 minutes into this cook. And I'm going to sear this tri-tip. Just let that hang out a minute. Okay, I'm going to spray some oil on here and just wipe this. Okay, let's get this thing over there and see what we can do with it. I can smell that ginger and garlic. There's still a little bit. I wiped most of it off, but if you saw Rye's video, he took and with a gloved hand and just wiped it on both sides. But it left a little bit on there, which will add to the flavor. When it hits the 2-minute mark, I got my timer on, I'll turn it over. We'll just do that until it gets pretty and crusty. I want to take a quick minute to do a mail call and a thank you to Sean over at the mess hall. Y'all go over there and check out his channel. I won a giveaway, and he sent me a holiday cookbook and also some Alabama Sunshine spiked vanilla peach. Looks like preserves, or I guess. And then some Alabama Sunshine hot sauce. Yeah, I'll try that on something, Sean. And thanks a lot, buddy. Maverick XR-50 says that chicken's at 177, so I'm going to take those up. They're done. It's time to cut into something.
Okay.
All right, let's come down here. Jared went to the store and bought a big sirloin steak. He wanted me to cook it for him, so I did. That's what that is. All right.
That's pretty.
Let's take another little slice here. Let's cut us a piece of this off. All right, I'm just going to pick her up. Pretty. I taste those seasonings. I can taste the garlic and the ginger.
Oh, okay.
So, that's a good recipe, rye. We're going to enjoy that. Isn't that pretty?
And what do you have over here?
This is actually a little test run of something I'm doing. But that's a chicken breast. We'll just let it go at that. What have you got for us over there, Jenny?
Well, we have asparagus casserole here, and good old mac and cheese here, and some buttered Italian bread, and the tri-tip, and that's our dinner tonight.
All right. I'm just slicing up a few more pieces here. And that's nice. Thank you for joining us tonight with our cook and coming along, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was a nice day out there today. We thought it was going to be raining, but it actually turned out real pretty with the sun shining. So this is Phil and Janet at Phil and Florence saying goodbye until we see you on the next cook.
Bye.
That's pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Toby's in there. Just go back out the room, Jared, for a few minutes. Just for a few minutes.
I need to get this on camera.
No, just stay with me. Toby's in there with Jared just acting up. He does that every day. He waits for Jared to come home. Anyway, isn't that pretty? Just like we like it.
Yep.
All right. Let's so y'all thought Toby was a docile little dog. He turns into Tasmanian devil every day about this time when my son comes home.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've been bad. I'm trying to film a video here.
Being loud.